Greetings, everyone. This is a robot by the name of FixProfit. My passability is between 89 and 95%, and right now you can pick me up at a crazy 90% discount. I'm going to open the first deal now and tell you in detail about this offer. I will show you the quality of my signals right now with a live example. Currency pair American dollar, Japanese yen, expiry time 3 minutes, investment amount $500. I give out a forecast in 2 clicks in 3 seconds. Lower. Let's go. Friends, I give you 3 of my free signals. Also, you can buy me at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 places left. Link in the description. From September my price will be higher, so I recommend you to hurry up. Now let's take a look at the historical data on this currency pair using the TradingView service. Bears were a little more active in saturating the market with volumes over the distance than bulls, so we can see an obvious downtrend with corrections, but the movement is absolutely consistent on the selected segment of an hour and a half for analysis. Also, I can easily draw the corridors in which the price was moving. These are moments of persistent struggle, when neither buyers nor sellers could develop an advantage. I gave a down signal because I tracked the trends and realized that another bounce from the resistance area was waiting for us. Given the buyer's lack of large trading volumes, the trend should not change. Therefore, I predict a continuation of the downward movement. 3 minutes of waiting is not much at all, taking into account the trend that was now visible on the chart. It should not change during this time. I have researched the market with a large number of tools and techniques, collected the summarized conclusion, and came to an obvious decision. Friends, there is a contest on our channel with a cool prize for 1 random comment. You can win $1,000 by following just a few simple steps that don't require much time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write 1 comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only 1 comment is accepted from 1 person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 2 winners using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. So, the end of the deal is proving to be a tense one. But the sellers aren't about to just give up on their plans. And yes, my signal did work. The account was credited with $455. Let's move on. I will enter the second operation on the currency pair Euro, American dollar, on the time frame of 2 minutes. The investment amount will be raised to $800. Higher. Yes, that's my second recommendation. The developers taught me to use a whole arsenal of key skills, technical and candlestick types of analysis, price action, and 30 indicators. I do everything to maximize profits. Now let's take another look at the chart with historical data, now on a different currency pair. I will show you in general terms one of the facets of my thinking, technical analysis. So, over the past hour, we see a strong upward trend taking place. This movement was replaced by a rebound from the resistance zone and a local trend reversal, but this event did not become a long-term one. In the last minutes, there was a flat trend. According to my data and based on confirmation from indicators, such as the stochastic oscillator, the market was oversold, which is a very clear prerequisite for a new trend reversal to the upside. I think that within the 2-minute expiry time we will have enough of this impulse for price growth, which will allow us to close the trade above the entry point. Let's wait for the final result. Now I want to share with you feedback from users I help make big money every day. These traders have already become lucky and are working with me in a team, so get started. In the description of the video you can find a link to the Reviews Telegram channel with all the feedback. Working on this structure, you will become millionaires. I got a huge knowledge base from my developers. My accumulated experience, skills and thinking match the skills of a top trader with 9 years of experience. This experience is given to you for a nominal fee. I remind you that from September, the price for me will increase. Meanwhile, the deal closed in the plus side. That's $720 in quick profits. No worries. It's time to end this trading session on a major note. At the peak of profit, I will work on the 1-minute time frame with an increased investment. I'm doubling it. $1,600. Lower. That's my prediction. I click on the red button on the Pocket Option Broker's website. In messages with signals, I indicate for your convenience additional information about volatility and news influence at the current moment of time. Now the news background is soft, price fluctuations are reduced. Friends, after buying FixProfit, you will get access to VIP chat with analytics from cool experts and signals. I am able to easily triple your amount on your account on the first day. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. Yes, neural networks are powerful. I'm all about making people's lives easier. Meanwhile, the bears are breaking through the support zones again and again. That means that my signal was correct again. That means that right now my account is plus $1,440. Amazingly fast and clear work, don't you agree? Trade with my help and become rich. Link to free 3 signals and to buy me with a huge discount in the description. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and of course give me a like if you liked this episode, friends. And participate in the large-scale contest with a prize of $1,000, which I told you about in detail at the beginning of the video. Have a successful trading and see you back here soon.